Air conditioners can be a welcome addition in any residence through the heat of summertime. It really is often a superb notion to make contact with quite a few firms and get quotes and recommendations from everyone. This gives you the capability to make an informed choice according to product, company and price tag. After you have several estimates in your hand, it really is time for you to start off researching each in the corporations. The web will be the very best location to perform this, by typing the enterprise name into your search engine and seeing what comes up. You also want peace of mind that they've extensive know-how within the industry. Along with the only method to do that will be to ask queries. It is encouraged to create down a list of concerns and ask each and every business the precise, identical concerns. Hear their responses and gauge how long it took them to answer and how confident they sounded, though answering. The air conditioner corporation you look at should also have a fantastic selection of products readily available, providing you an option to pick from. They need to offer you wall-mounted and central air conditioners, and give you reasons on why to select these merchandise, helping you weigh up the advantages and disadvantages, after which relating it for your individual requirements. They ought to also present an installation service, not just supplying you with a premium quality air conditioner, but also installing it for you, giving you with peace of mind that the job is carried out towards the highest normal